Would you look at that? It is stormy outside in Smyrna, and it's raining all over TRC. That looks awful. Unfortunately, we had some technical difficulties over all these classes because of the storm. Only we won't be having any class today or somehow. Well, at least we're all here, more or less. I bet the storm was getting on our nerves for no reason.
Guys, the cafeteria lights have been turned out. They have lights there. And now we're gonna have dinner in here in the dark.
And there you have it, y'all. The power is back on. Now we're gonna have dinner all by ourselves. It stopped raining. And look at this beautiful sky. No dark clouds. No stormy clouds or scattered thunderstorms, lightning flashing. None of that. Just doing laundry with the others. And I'm good.
I'm chilling at the Wi-Fi area, minding my own business, and I believe that Alexandra's right behind. Sorry if I'm talking too low or quiet.
Watching the sequel of Ice Age. It's called The Meltdown. Yes, Ellie and the Possums. Yeah, I know it's a funny movie. It might be a great thing. Bless you. No problem. Sorry about that. I was talking to the BFF. Funny is great. Yay. So chilling at the rec hall. Having lots of fun there. Glad that the storm is gone. And now we're completely good. And what can I say? Nothing but a peaceful night. I'm glad we had everything we all have in the list. Yep. Sorry, Pittsburgh. Yep. That's funny. Oh my gosh. Oh, Sid.